going on, guys? Dynarider back at you with another video. Today I've got Mike back with us again. He had so much fun last time and he just couldn't stay away. He had to come back and get at it with us again.
Actually, no, he begged me to come back on the video because he saw that I was so necessary for the growth of the channel.
Absolutely, he's absolutely awesome, guys. But today we're gonna go ahead. We have the Solemn set up for you guys, as well as the dreaded U-turn box. All right. So both of these exercises require you to use that friction zone, turn your head and eyes, turn your handlebars in the direction you want to go. A little bit of counterweighting involved with the box, doing the U-turns, and committing. All right, it's the same principles from last week's video where we did the sharp turn from a stop. It's the same exact principles. The only difference is today, instead of committing just to that 90-degree turn, we're going to commit to a 180-degree turn. All right, it's going to come down to that committal. It's okay if you guys end up putting your foot down a couple of times when you're practicing the U-turn. The point of it though is to get to where you don't have to. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick walkthrough on the Solemn. All right, it's a very simple little exercise. We've got a little bit of a curve to it here, but that's okay. We just kind of followed along with the parking space here. So for the Solemn, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna come on the outside of one cone, into the next, outside, inside, all the way down there to the end. These cones are spaced about 15 feet apart or so. And so the quick way for you guys to be able to do that, see how this cone here is on the line, that cone is in the middle of a parking space. All right, that way you can maintain consistency in your spacing all the way through. And this is actually going to be one of the courses you guys see in the MSF Basic Riders course. All right. Now for the dreaded U-turn box. What you guys are going to do is you got to have a gate here marked by 2 cones and a gate over there marked by 2 cones. Okay? So you're going to come up here. All right, you're going to come up. And once you get to about right here, you're going to be turning your head all the way back over looking at that far cone. All right, you're going to initiate a little bit of counterweight and you're going to start turning that bike, looking where you want to go. By the time you get to right here, you're looking back over at that cone. All right, now back at this cone. All right, you want to go ahead and bring the bike back over here in a teardrop fashion, so that way you can travel straight here, ever so slightly. All right, you get that, and then you can turn around. By the time you get to about here, again, you're looking back over your shoulder. All right, you get about midway through that turn, and you start looking all the way over to that gate. All right, so you're leaning, and you bring it back straight, and you travel right on out the gate. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and have Mr. Michael. He's gonna go ahead and give us a demonstration on the Solemn, and then I will give a demonstration on the Solemn, give you guys a first-person point of view, and then he's gonna give us a demonstration in the box, and then I'm gonna provide a demonstration in the box as well. All right, Mike, whenever you're ready, go ahead, hop on your beast, ride her over there, and go ahead and come back this way for us, okay?
Okay, start here, and then come back this way?
No, start down there on this end and work way this way. Now, remember, it's very important, guys, that you guys go ahead and use your head and eyes on this exercise. Alright, so I'm going to stop right here so we can get the shot of Mike doing it. Now remember, when you guys are out here doing this, you're dancing with the bike. You're dancing with the motorcycle, okay? Alright. Perfect. Very well done. Come on out. Then left, then right, then left, then right, then left, then right, then left, then right, then left, then right. Just like that. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Notice, I'm not looking down at the cones. Okay? Notice Mike's not looking down at the cones. Alright, we're just maintaining throttle. Alright, we're going to maintain consistent throttle as we go ahead and go through the turn. We're keeping our head and eyes up. We're using our peripherals to look at the cones and make sure that we're on track. So head and eyes up, consistent throttle, just kind of maintain it, and use the friction zone to modulate how much power you got going to that rear wheel. So head and eyes up, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and we're going to move over to the U-turn box, and we're going to see what we're able to do here. Alright, I'm going to have Mr. Mike go first. So that way you guys can see what we got going on here. Alright, so Mike, you want to go ahead and talk us through, see what you're going to do here, what you've learned so far in doing the U-turns?
Yeah, I guess I'm just going to walk you through.
Alright, awesome.
But what we'll be doing is starting off, make sure our bike is straight, and go ahead and give it some throttle, let go of the clutch, find that friction zone, and just go ahead and let go, and not let go, but go ahead and go. Still maintaining a decent amount of throttle, usually using my friction zone a little bit more. So then the throttle, coming over here, about right here, is where I'll start to look over here at this last fourth cone. Start making my turn as I'm looking there. Come over here. Now here, I'm just going to switch over to this cone right here.
This one right here?
Yeah, that's what I want to do.
Right.
Come over here, about right here. I'm going to start looking back at this cone right here, or anywhere in this area. Actually, I'm sorry. Forgive me. Once I'm here, I'm going to be turning into a straighter line here, because the objective is to go a little bit further down here in a teardrop fashion, coming over here to this area, then look at that cone, start making my turn.
And about right here, you're going to start looking at the gate, right?
Yeah.
And that way, once you start get eyes on your exit, you're able just to kind of pick it up and follow right on throughout your exit. All right, awesome.
Easier done than said, I think. But
I think it's easier said than done, buddy. But we'll see what we got going on here, all right? Got the Popo out here investigating us.
I'm a rebel.
We got a couple other motorcyclists out here practicing as well.
Our friend Blanca there on a cool little BMW Enduro bike. A lot of fun. Yeah, I'm gonna mess up, but if I don't, great. If I do, I'm gonna learn how to fix it.
Exactly, that's exactly what we're all about here at Dynarider. Making ourselves better, safer, more confident motorcycle riders. Go ahead. Head and eyes up, looking where he wants the bike to go. Alright, gonna go ahead and start straightening it out. It's okay, keep it going. Like I said before, guys, it's okay if you have to put your foot down a couple times when you're learning this. This is not an easy skill to do. Okay? Counterweighting, looking where he wants the bike to go. It's okay if you hit a cone, that's what they're there for. Beautifully done. Absolutely perfect. Let's see if good old Dynarider can do it just as good. Alright, so you're going to go ahead, you're going to come in. There you go. That's the Solemn and the U-turn, gentlemen. Use U-turns whenever you turn around, really. Because guess what? We don't have reverse on these motorcycles. Alright, we don't have reverse on our motorcycles, guys. So U-turns.
I nailed that last one.
that last one was perfect, bud. But like I was saying, we don't have reverse on our motorcycles, so 3-point turns just don't really make a lot of sense. It's best off just to go ahead and make a U-turn, because efficiency. All right, Mike, you got any outro comments you want to make?
Just don't give up, guys. Keep on trying, practice, keep your head straight, and like I said, don't give up. Once you get going, motorcycle riding is a great sport, and it's something that's going to bring a lot of fulfillment to your life. If you haven't already felt it, you will. And thanks for supporting my friend Will's channel. We appreciate it. I know he does. And wish you all the best in your journey of life.
Absolutely, guys. Hey, he said it. I couldn't say it any better. Motorcycling is a great sport. It's going to bring you a lot of fulfillment into your life. However, just like with anything else, you got to make sure you're doing it right. You're doing it safe. Here at Dynarider, I'm all about making better, safer, more confident motorcycle riders. If that's you, go ahead and smash the like button. Drop a comment down below saying #me and subscribe to the channel. Dynarider out. Peace.